Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, and hello to everyone. So today we are gonna make chicken biryani by homemade spices. If you are new at my channel, please go and subscribe first. I will guide you step by step. So let's start making it. So for biryani masala, first we have to make masala for the biryani. So here I'm taking 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, fennel seeds half teaspoon, 7 to 8 cloves, red chilies as per your taste, nutmeg and mace, cinnamon sticks 3 to 4, cumin 1 teaspoon, and 7 to 8 green cardamoms. Let's grind it first. So our biryani masala is ready here. So as we are making homemade masala, we are not using any packet masala. So it's enough for 1 kg of chicken. If you are taking 1.5 or 2 kg of chicken, you can increase the amount of masala, spices as per the amount of meat. So firstly, we have to add our mixed masala here. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, it's about 3 tablespoons, and salt as per your taste. So we have to marinate it for 8 to 9 hours or for the whole night. I am marinating it for whole night. So here I've sliced 5 medium onions and 4 big tomatoes and 10 to 12 garlic cloves. Now heat up the oil in a wok and add sliced onions. So we have to fry it until it gets golden brown. Then we will add some spices. Now our onion is getting brown, so we're gonna add cinnamon sticks and cloves 3 to 4, black pepper 1 teaspoon, bay leaves 4 to 5, coriander 1 tablespoon, star anise 2 to 3, and black cardamom 2 to 3. Now we're gonna add the chicken. Now we will add the tomato slices here and chopped garlic. Let's mix it and add some water. It's around 1 cup of water. Now we will cook the chicken till it gets tender completely. It will take around half an hour. Now after half an hour, you can check the color of this curry and check out this thickness of this curry. And it smells so good. Now add half cup of yogurt here and slices of 1 big lemon. It will give a good flavor in this masala. Now cook it for more 10 minutes. Now we will add 4 to 5 green chilies and cook it for 2 minutes. Now turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now take out your curry in another container, half of the curry. Now add half of the rice, semi-cooked rice here. I've taken 3.5 cups of rice and I boiled it with the cumin and salt. Now add fresh coriander leaves and mint leaves and green chilies. Now add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now we will add another layer of chicken on it. Spread the chicken curry on it, the remaining half. Now we will add the remaining rice. And now again the layer of mint leaves, coriander leaves and some food color. Now here I'm using biryani essence today, not any cura essence. Now we will cover it and cook it for 20 minutes on the lowest flame. Now after 20 minutes it is completely done. You can dish it out. Must try this recipe in your home and share your experience in the comment section below. Now it's ready to serve. Serve hot and share your experience. Let's taste it. The aroma is super good. Oh my god, this is so flavorful and so tasty. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. And do comment as well. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.